In my world, hometown, we would call it a cabbage. What?
Don't move!
What's wrong?
Behind you!
Come forward, human. You would do well to listen.
Fenrir.
I wish to feast upon the dish you've made. Can you not hear me? The dish! Bring it to me!
Here you go.
I hunger still!
Do it, man!
I'm sorry. I'll have to make a whole new batch. Could you please wait a moment?
Do not test my patience.
Thank you. Please enjoy.
More! Quickly!
Yes! Enjoy.
More!
Right away! Enjoy!
I want more.
Okay.
More! More!
Yes!
More!
Yes!
That was rather delicious.
I'm glad you liked it.
I am most impressed. You were able to satisfy my hunger with such a paltry amount of meat. I can still scarcely believe it.
You call that paltry?
You interest me. I shall form a contract with you.
Huh? What's that?
Such ignorance. I said that I would form a familiar contract with you.
Familiar contract? No way. This is a creature that can talk and makes even Werner's party freeze in their tracks. How could I form a contract with a being like that? Oh, thank you. The truth is... I mean, I think that... Oh man, looks like I don't have a choice here.
So you and I shall form a contract. Understood?
I understand.
Very well, stand before me. The familiar contract has been sealed. You are now entirely responsible for my well-being and daily needs. I hope you're prepared.
Your well-being? But how?
I look forward to enjoying many more meals as good as this one.
Huh?